Introduction to Smart Door Lock Automation.
Smart door locks are changing how we control access to our homes. They offer keyless entry, improved security, and allow you to manage your door from anywhere. Automating a smart lock means you can unlock or lock your door using your phone, voice, or scheduled routines. Let's explore how you can easily set up smart home door lock automation yourself.
Choosing the right smart lock.
First, decide which smart lock fits your door and needs. Look for options compatible with your existing deadbolt, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, and support for your preferred smart home system, like Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. Make sure the lock includes features you want, such as auto lock, guest access codes, and an easy installation process.
Installation made simple.
Most modern smart locks can be installed with just a screwdriver. Remove your current deadbolt and follow the smart lock's step-by-step instructions to attach the new device. Pay attention to battery placement, alignment, and securing the lock. Once installed, download the lock's companion app to begin setup. No need for drilling or complex wiring in most cases.
Connecting and automating your smart lock.
After installation, connect your smart lock to your home Wi-Fi or Bluetooth through the app. Link it to your smart home system. You can now set up automation, like automatically locking the door at night, or unlocking as you arrive home using your phone's location. Many apps also let you control the lock with voice commands or monitor activity logs remotely.
Benefits and security tips.
Automating your smart door lock increases both convenience and security. Grant temporary codes to guests or service providers, receive alerts about door activity, and never worry about lost keys again. For best results, use strong, unique passwords for your devices. Keep your smart lock app updated and enable two-factor authentication when available to maximize protection.